Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create a website with Wix AI in just a few quick steps. I'll be doing this on the web, so head over to the Wix website. First, sign up for a free account or log in if you already have one. Click the Get Started button on the homepage. You can sign up with your email or continue with Google, Apple, or Facebook. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Wix dashboard. Next, click Create New Site. A simple AI box appears with two options. Click Start Chat. This brings up a chat interface where Wix AI will ask you questions about your business and website goals. Now, answer the questions that appear in the chat box. You'll see around 4 to 5 targeted questions about what your site's for, what content you'll have, your goals, and what makes your business unique. Type your answers into the text field. The more detail you give, the better the AI can tailor your site. You'll see options to skip questions or get help with answers if you need it. Once you've finished the chat, click Go to Dashboard. You'll land on a personalized dashboard with a setup checklist and apps already installed based on what you told the AI. Next, click Design Site in that dashboard. Wix will ask how you'd like to design your website with a template or with the AI Builder. Choose the AI Website Builder option, then click Generate a Design. The AI will generate your site based on everything you shared earlier. Once the design loads, take a look at what the AI created. You'll see options to regenerate design if you want to start fresh with a completely new site, or tweak design if you want a new theme and layout using the same brief. When you're happy with the generated design, move forward to customize it. You'll now be in the Wix editor where you can customize every detail with the drag and drop interface. Click the AI Tools icon on the left side to access additional AI editing features. When you're done customizing, click the Publish button. Your website goes live. A couple of quick tips: make sure you proofread all the AI generated content for typos or errors, and test your links to check they're not broken. Also, add SEO settings like title tags and meta descriptions to every page. If you want a custom domain instead of the free Wix subdomain, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan, but that's completely optional. And there we go, website with Wix AI done. Thanks for watching. See you next time.